A nice hotel room is a terrible thing to waste. As much as I like to linger in a lively lobby or the hotel bar, I also much look forward to lounging around my room, drinking a good cocktail, eating tasty snacks, read a good book, and watch a good movie. A Mezcal Mule is a simple thing to assemble with things you can just readily find at any grocery store. The toughest thing you'll have to procure is a knife. In this occasion, no tools are needed, just let your feelings guide you. So first, find the 2 rocks glasses that are guaranteed to be in your hotel room. For each drink, measure half a lime. Measure about 1 ounce of mezcal, or about a finger. 2 if the day calls for it. Fill the glass with ice to the brim. The only 2 ginger beers I recommend are Q Tonic or Fever Tree, both high quality mixers. Give it a gentle stir and garnish for extra points. Finally, to wind things down, fix yourself a nice spread.